Hey, my fellow entrepreneurs, it's Alex from BusinessRocket, and today we're going to go over which state is the best state to open up your new LLC or corporation. It's a very common question we get asked here at BusinessRocket, and I want to make sure I get a good answer for you guys. Well, first of all, before we get into the answer, I want to make sure that this answer applies to the 99.9% of people that are opening up small businesses. I'm not talking about the companies that are trying to become the next tech giant or a big real estate fund. Those companies can obviously consult their attorney based on their circumstance and open up the company in a different state, like Delaware or Nevada or Wyoming or Florida, for their own purposes and whatever they're doing. Now, if you were trying to open up a small business, like an e-commerce store, an Amazon shop, or a side hustle business, you want to create the company in the state that you physically live in. Don't forget, you're going to have an LLC that's a disregarded entity, or you're going to have an S corporation. Both of those entities are pass-through taxed, which means that they don't actually pay any income tax whatsoever. So when people say that the company tax is higher in California than it is in, for example, Wyoming, it's not true, because at the end of the day, the company itself doesn't pay any income tax. There's a difference in renewal fees. I would agree with that. But don't forget, the benefit of opening a company where you live is because you're going to be paying taxes there yourself anyways. And a lot of times when you are located, let's say in California, but you're trying to open up a company in Nevada, when you're going to file your personal taxes, you're going to showcase that you made money from that company that's in a different state. California is going to look at you and say, wait, hold on a second. Why is this company not registered in California as well? So they're going to send a letter to you and require you to register your business in California as well, which is going to cause you to have a company in Nevada and in California, forcing you to have 2 renewal fees and 2 taxes to pay and 2 times paying your CPA, and it's going to make things a lot more complicated. So in general sense, if you're going to be opening up a small business, open it in the state that you physically live in and where you pay personal taxes. If you're actually opening up an LLC, for example, for real estate purposes, and you're going to buy a property in a different state, then open up that LLC where the real estate property is. Now, I know it's a little bit confusing, so you can leave a comment below. We'll make sure we'll get you answers right away, but hopefully this information was helpful. If you need help opening up an LLC or corporation, please go to businessrocket.com. We'll gladly help you with the process, and use the code OFF20 to get $20 off any of our registration packages. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon again. Till next time.